Look at this, guys. A very wonderful bougainvillea. So I will show you the yard, the backyard. And my pineapples. Our pineapples. Taran. They're growing. Ouch! Look. This is another type of flower. We call this jasmine.
If you would love to live and vacation in such a beautiful area of the Philippines, we're building a vacation home that you can rent for your vacation in the future.
Over there, here. Oh, this is millions. My hanging plants. Look, guys. And this is white. This is the jackfruit tree with the hanging plants. Another beautiful flower. We call them here millions, but I know they have a different name. Look. Tran. Ayun. And now we're going to visit our orchidarium. Crowned orchid. Look. And some other plant. Taran, guys. These are some of my orchids. We have a very good sunshine today. So I'll give you a quick tour of our pig pen and surroundings. The mango tree, our dating place. This is the guava fruit tree, which birds are enjoying them all the time. They have eaten most of the fruits. And the bird up in the window, look, they fly. And that is our mini veggie garden over there. This here are just mixed flowers.